everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how you're able to directly call or text somebody with one tap. Now up on the very top over here you can see that this has a little small icon. That is the messaging icon, and this is a little green phone icon. Basically what will happen is if I give it a quick tap, it'll directly call this person or text them. So to show you what it looks like if you go inside of regular text messaging, so this is Google Messages, you can see all of the conversations, and then you'd have to find the conversation you want to get into. This is just something where it's a quick little tap and it's going to take you directly into that message so that you can have your conversation. So this is something that's very simple that you can do. It's been around for years. A lot of times you may forget what you have on your phone of what you're able to do. So in order to add these to your home screen, you just want to press and hold anywhere on the screen that is empty. You want to tap on widgets. And then as you scroll down, you're going to look for the option where it says contacts. Now there's a few options that you have here. The first one is contact, which this will open up their actual full contact page. Their name, the phone number, the email, the address, whatever you may have. It's not going to do a direct action other than show the contact itself. So this way you can call them or text them. This one right here is the direct dial. So you'll tap that, it's going to call them. And then this is the message. Now you also have this up here. This is another little widget you can have where you can put in maybe your top 4 people, and in this little small area is where you can have them sit. So rather than have them, sitting right there, you'd be able to go through and then you can add them in with that 4 widget. It's actually pretty cool. So again, you press and hold, hit on widgets, scroll down to where it says contacts, and I'm going to show you what it looks like if this was on the screen. And once you have it complete, it's going to put it right up over here. So it kind of depends on which style you would like to have it, being used as. Maybe you can have your main 4 people right here, and then a couple little widgets or little icons for direct messaging. But yeah, it actually looks pretty nice and pretty cool, and it's just a really fast way of getting a hold of somebody. I guess one more thing I can show you, since we're just talking about quick ways of calling and texting. On the phone application, you can see that I have a bunch of different favorites on here. Now, if I was just to swipe from the left, I'd be able to give that person a call, and if I was to swipe from the right, it'll be able to send them a message. So again, another way of getting in really quick to either call or text somebody, and it's a really fun way to do it, either through the phone or with those quick little widgets for direct dial and direct message. But hopefully you guys appreciated this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe on the very bottom left hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul.